How to hide your Instagram story from a certain person or from anyone. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So here, as you can see, I am on my profile, and if you want to hide your Instagram story from a certain person, then we just have to click on our profile picture like you usually do when you want to create a story, and then from here you have to go to settings, which is in the left top corner, and then click on the first option, which is story. And then here, as you can see, the second option is hide story from. So here I have one person. You have to click on that, and then from here you can choose another person, or you can either type their username right here. So then click next, then go back, and now we have two people from which we are hiding our story, and then you have to click done. So yeah guys, from here click again done. And then if we record or upload a story, then these stories will be hidden from those persons. So yeah guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can comment down below your thoughts, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.